This is the Eastern Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Sunday, October the 5th. Key points to go through is that we're looking for another round of showers today, along with a little bit of snow for the higher elevations. And we are looking at the likelihood of frost and freezing conditions across the Snake Plain both tonight and then also Tuesday and Wednesday morning as well. Weather risk outlook is mainly calling for minor impacts because of the cold temperatures. And we think that the temperatures will be cold enough over the high country communities that we'll basically have an end to the season after Monday morning. However, we could have the temperatures stay just warm enough that we could keep the growing season going a little bit longer, possibly into Wednesday morning. So we got those highlighted in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley for those reasons there. Looking at our current satellite image across the region, you see one system starting to depart, and we see also a band of clouds out here over western Idaho moving through. That'll be our next little weak system that'll be moving through today. And once again, just to recap, this is our freeze warnings that we have out for the Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley. We think in the western Magic Valley, temperatures might be a little bit warmer out that way, so no headlines out that way. And then you see plenty of winter weather advisories and warnings out for Montana and Wyoming, where they're expecting some snowfall accumulations in their mid and high elevations. High temperatures for today, generally expected to be in the 40s and 50s across the region, and humidity levels still pretty high with all the cloud cover and still some lingering showers around. Peak wind gusts this afternoon look pretty light, generally around 10 to 15 miles per hour, and our chances of precipitation today generally looking at scattered showers, so roughly in the 50% range. Precipitation amounts today expected to be pretty light, generally a tenth of an inch or less. And expected snowfall today, once again, you see mainly confined to the higher country up in the Central Mountains and parts of the Tetons, and maybe up in the Island Parkway area as well. Low temperatures tonight. Once again, we expect cold temperatures tonight with 20s in the high country and also lower 30s for the Snake Plain and Magic Valley. And chances of precipitation tonight, we'll have some lingering showers in the evening, and then we expect to clear out overnight. And then once again, any rainfall we should happen to get will be in the evening hours tonight, and it should be very light, just a hundredth or two. Expected snowfall, once again, a little bit of a light dusting possible, way up high. As we go into Monday, high temperatures are expected to warm up just a little bit, but still looking for 50s across much of the region. Humidities start to dry out a little bit, especially over Central Mountains. We have some 20s and 30s working into the area on Monday. Highest wind gusts still looking for pretty light winds, only maybe 10-15 mile per hour gusts in the afternoon. And chances of precipitation just hanging onto a very small sliver of a shot of a stray shower over the eastern highlands, but very little, if any, moisture will come of that. Low temperatures for tomorrow night, once again cold again, with 20s likely for our eastern highlands and central mountains, and then upper 20s to low 30s for the Snake Plain and Magic Valley. Chance of precipitation for tomorrow night looks pretty dry. And then as we move into Tuesday, temperatures do start to recover a little bit more, looking for highs generally in the 60s across most of the region. Humidity's starting to dry out a little bit more. You start seeing more widespread 20s and some 30s in there as well going into Tuesday afternoon. Peak wind gusts Tuesday afternoon, generally 10 to 15 miles per hour once again. And looking for dry weather continuing on Tuesday. As we go into Tuesday night, you see lows starting to warm up just a little bit. Still possibility of a frost freeze across the Snake Plain, Magic Valley. And then chance of precipitation still looking pretty dry as we go into Tuesday night. So just to summarize, showers will continue today with some light snow possible for the high elevations today. And frost freeze is likely for the Snake Plain for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday mornings. That concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. Thank you.